BJP's Shehzad Poonawalla has also slammed opposition after their remarks over the sexual assault incident of Badlapur and saying the opposition that the criticism of the Badlapur accused death. The Shehzad Poonawalla has in fact said that Badlapur sexual assault accused Akshay Shinde has died after being shot at by the police in retaliatory firing. On one hand, the Maharashtra and the Badlapur have taken a sigh of relief, whereas on the other hand, the parties of the Indie Bloc alliance are mourning the death of a rapist. Is this a Balatkari Bachao alliance? Let's in fact now listen.
जो बदलापुर में दो छोटी बच्चियों के साथ सेक्सुअल असॉल्ट करने वाला और अपनी ही पत्नी, पूर्व पत्नी के साथ रेप करने वाला अक्षय शिंदे पुलिस के एनकाउंटर में मारा गया। पुलिस ने तब सेल्फ डिफेंस में फायरिंग की जब उसने, बताया जाता है, उनकी गन लेकर उन पर फायरिंग करने की कोशिश की। पर ये क्या हो चुका है? एक तरफ महाराष्ट्र और बदलापुर राहत की सांस ले रहा है और दूसरी तरफ इंडिया अलायंस, कांग्रेस पार्टी, तृणमूल कांग्रेस जैसी पार्टियां मातम मना रही है एक बलात्कारी के लिए। ये बलात्कारी बचाओ अलायंस है क्या? कोलकाता में आरजीकर मामले में बलात्कारी को बचाओ, कन्नौज में नवाब यादव को बचाओ जबकि डीएनए टेस्ट आ चुका है, अयोध्या में मोहित खान को बचाओ जो 12 साल की बच्ची के साथ रेप करता है, केरल में सिमी रोजबेल जॉन का किस्सा सामने आता है तो उसी को पार्टी से निकाल लो, हरियाणा में शारदा राठौड़ का किस्सा सामने आता है, कास्टिंग काउच हो रहा है, वहां पर भी कोई कार्रवाई नहीं। और कटुआ में जो बलात्कारी थे उनके बचाव में जो लाल सिंह आए थे, उस लाल सिंह को स्टार प्रचारक कांग्रेस ने बना दिया। ये कांग्रेस और इंडिया अलायंस, खास करके सागरिका घोष जैसे नेताओं के ट्वीट देखिए, वो बलात्कारी के पक्ष से बोलने लग गए, पुलिस के पक्ष से नहीं, जनता के पक्ष से नहीं। मतलब कि एक व्यक्ति का विरोध करते करते आप महाराष्ट्र की जनता और आप पुलिस के खिलाफ हो जाएंगे और बलात्कारी के साथ खड़े हो जाएंगे। शर्म।
Now, my colleague Vrishali joins me live on the broadcast. Vrishali, at one point where Maharashtra and the entire Badlapur is now celebrating the accused of the sexual assault being shot at, and right now, in fact, there is also at another point the political slugfest brewing between the Indie Bloc parties and the Maharashtra government, where there are, of course, war of words trading as to why the accused was shot at by the police. And in fact, the incident which has taken place in a series of chronological orders, wherein it is also being questioned that this, in fact, killing it is being called that the killing is a part of the larger conspiracy. What is the latest that you are tracking as far as the sources in Maharashtra government is concerned? What are they saying?
Well, in this entire matter, the inquiry has been set up. So certainly the police currently is working on the chronology that how and the sequence that how this incident happened, who has fired first, what exactly triggered the culprit also to fire on the police, and post that how police retaliated and how police fired on him, and in which he died. However, he also taken to the hospital nearby in where he has declared dead. So certainly there will be thorough investigation, a deep investigation in this matter. But meanwhile, as we know that Maharashtra is going for a poll, so certainly political parties have come up with the statement that there is a big conspiracy behind this, the opposition parties particularly. But while giving answer to them, it's the Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde who has come up by saying that these are those parties who initially were demanding for hanging the culprit in the public domain, and these are the same parties now demanding or rather questioning the sequence which has happened, and also claiming that there is some big conspiracy behind this. So certainly the chief minister has said that the opposition parties are speaking in both the languages. What exactly they want to save in this entire case? They want to save the culprit, the balatkari, or what? This is the question is now being raised by the Mahayuti. But certainly the war of word has began in Maharashtra after this particular culprit who died in retaliation firing.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.